Good day, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to clarify grammar around the present participle. If you need a bit of help with this, stay with me until the end of this video and find out more about this grammar. After this video, learn a little bit more advanced English with our free grammar quiz. Let's get started. The present participle is a verb form which has an ending ing and in a sentence can function as an adjective, as a gerund, as a participle clause which provides additional information. And also the present participle is used with auxiliary verbs to form continuous tenses. Let's start with the present participle as an adjective in a sentence. For example, the barking dog woke me up at 5 o'clock in the morning. In this sentence, we are describing the dog and we have our present participle, which is represented as an adjective. The exciting film caught all my attention and I didn't hear the phone ring. The exciting film is our present participle. When we describe actions which happen at the same time, or when one action happens during another action, or we provide additional details about the actions, or actions are done by the same person, we can use the present participle. For example, we have a sentence, he cooked dinner while he was chatting with his friends. Now I want to use the present participle because I have two actions together and these actions are done by the same person. So I say he cooked dinner while chatting with his friends. Chatting with his friends, our present participle. Another example. The cat slept on the sofa and the cat was purring softly. Here again, I want to use the present participle because I have two actions together and these actions are done by the same cat. So I say, the cat slept on the sofa, purring softly. He fell asleep watching TV. He twisted his ankle playing badminton. So I hope you can see if we have two actions together and they are performed by the same person or thing, we can use the present participle. Also, you can use the present participle to explain something or to explain why somebody does something. For example, I felt thirsty. I saw a shop nearby and decided to buy a bottle of water. Feeling thirsty, I bought a bottle of water. Feeling thirsty here is our present participle. Feeling tired, she decided to take a nap. Hoping to win, they practiced every day. They walked through the park enjoying the scenery. In such kind of examples, there is always a reason why somebody does something. I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. And to check this, please follow the link in the video description to do the free grammar quiz to see if you understand this grammar correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.